I will show you how to make root vegetable soup today. You need to chop first a lot, so I've already started. I have butternut squash, carrots, parsnips, potatoes and sweet potatoes in my root vegetable soup. For me, if you cut it down the way, I would cut it into strips and then cut those strips in half. So you then need to get some olive oil, and then you also drizzle it onto our stuff. You need salt and pepper, kind of like all over. You need to shake the trays. And so the olive oil, salt and pepper all mixed together. If your adult has put them in the oven, you can watch them for a little while, and we're gonna check on them in 15 minutes. Now we have everything out, we need to start working on the stock. So all you need is like some garlic cloves and a knife. So I'm gonna put the knife on, slam it, cut off the end and peel it off. My eyes sting. We've put the olive oil, black or peppercorn, salt, rosemary, bay leaves and thyme in, and garlic and onions. These onions are shallots. The fun begins. So you should have this, or it should be kind of like this. This is the juice machine, and I'm about to turn our clumps of veg in our soup into soup. I finished juicing, and remember all the vegetables, they're gone now, but this is really thick. That doesn't look like soup. We're gonna thin it down a bit with some more stock. So this is it, roast vegetable soup.